Professor Bear here. Show and tell time. We're going to discuss some open AI custom GPT chatbots that we've created for some courses. We've created hundreds of custom GPTs. They're super easy to create and they're really effective. What's beautiful about the custom GPTs is if you've ever worked in an educational institution, getting the money to fund anything is virtually impossible. It can take you a year to just get a little bit of money to fund something. But with the custom GPTs, all you have to do is create them. If one person has a GPT Plus account, they can create a custom GPT for hundreds of students in the class. So it takes the custom GPTs are super simple to make. Basically, you give it prompts. And for all of these GPTs here, we put all of the actual exact prompts that we use. So these are the prompts using Ada. So this is Ada, an introductory calculus bot that's used by Abby Williams in her class. All of these bots I'm going to talk about, I'm just going to talk about three. We have hundreds of them. I'm going to talk about Newt, which is a physics bot, introductory physics bot that's used here at Northeastern for the introductory physics classes with Shri and Tom Kelly. Grace, which is for my Coursera algorithms course. After using Grace in my Coursera algorithms course, I just don't have people come to office hours anymore. Everything gets answered through the bot. I mean, the first week, maybe a couple people come. But after that, people are just using the chatbot to answer everything. And we can see that from the usage statistics and from, the fact that people stop coming to office hours. And Ada is for introductory calculus. So here are the prompts, super easy. It takes about half an hour to make these things. We have some data uploaded. Abby has taken over writing this bot. So basically, we wrote this, Dev Shaw and I wrote this initially. And then it took maybe an hour to write the bot. Students love it. We've put some surveys on these. They average around 4.8 out of 5 for all three bots. And what's nice about it is Abby told me that one of the students came up to her who had math there. She was afraid to ask Abby questions because she would feel stupid, but she uses the bot. Okay, so let's try Ada with a handwritten problem. I'm told by Abby that often in calculus, people write equations on pieces of paper and then upload, what they take from their camera. Because math is sometimes hard to write in a proper way if you don't know LaTeX or other things. So let's go ahead and try that. So we're going to upload just a little handwritten, so this may or may not be right, and we're going to ask Ada to check it. What every teacher wants is they want scaffolding. They don't want the answer to be spit out. They want, if it's right, why is it right? If it's wrong, why it's wrong? And what's also beautiful about this is tone. Abby's very friendly. And so she took over prompting it. She wants it to be encouraging, even when you get things wrong, what you did right, what you did wrong. So this has this, this is not correct, but you got this part right. So good job on getting this part right. But you made a sort of a trivial little error here, and it would be correct only if you made this change. This is very much happening. It's very much the tone of, yeah, you got it partly, not you are wrong, but you're sort of right, but, you made a mistake here. And so not only is it very useful, these tools, but it even has the sort of a tone of Abby in the GPT, where it's encouraging and friendly, even when you make a mistake. So that's it for this. And we'll go on to the next show and tell. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next show and tell.